How to use 0.5 camera on Instagram. So if you want to use your 0.5 camera on your Instagram, then first of all you need to open up your Instagram application, and then you can go for your story. You can tap on your story, which is on the upper left, and then choose camera. And now you can simply go for filters, go all the way to the last where you have this browse effects. So you can simply tap on browse effects, and from here you can simply search for that. You will have a search icon which is on the upper left. Tap on that search and then search for ultra wide, and after searching for ultra wide, here you will have many filters. So you can simply choose 0.5 ultra wide, and that's it. Or you can choose this one. So that's it. That's how you choose ultra wide. You can choose any filter that you would like, and you can simply take a shot. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.